guys, welcome to Broken Compass. This is our first video on our new family channel. We're going to be doing a mixture of stuff like hiking, fishing, and exploring. My name is Shayna. I'm Sabea. And I'm Shauna. And me and her are twins. And also guys, we have adult supervision with the tools.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to start with this pizza. Have a big bounce. Okay, alright. So, basically, you're going to pull and open it up. Yeah. So we're going to open that. This is the pizza. And this is also the pizza. Alright. And that is the heat element. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this pepperoni pizza. We usually get the freeze-dried meals. And on the back, there's a fill line. It comes with this heating element and 2 pepperoni pizzas. The only thing it does not come with is a water. So first, we put both of the pepperoni pizzas in. You can put the pizzas in first, because that's what it says on the back. Sorry, there's some technical difficulties. There's some difficulties, guys. So now we're going to go to the fill line. Right there. Right there. Okay, let's see. So we're going to have to kind of face it towards I don't know where it's at. We're trying our best, guys. You can feel it. A little more. I think that's good. Okay. Okay. All right. So now that we put out to the fill line, we take the heating element out of the bag. The steam is hot, so we're gonna have to seal it. Put it between them. So the steam will come out of that hole right there. Great. So we're gonna set that aside. Okay, no, that was right there. We're gonna set that to the side and show you the stuff on the table. So now we're gonna be showing you the stuff that's on the table. So we still use these, but like we're kind of slowly upgrading. So we still use these, but these are like let's say we started out with this. Yeah, we started out with these. You could bend them, and there's 3 different light modes on these ones. Yeah. But we upgraded to a light. These are way brighter. Yeah. We still use them though as if y'all see a little bit of steam, the pizza is steaming right now. So the brightest one I think is this little orange one from on the table. Yeah. But we also have the wireless one, which they're all wireless. But this is the wireless charger. This is the most brightest. And this is not all of them. Some of them are charging right now. Yeah. So yeah, because we use them. Most of them are charging. And these ones are chargeable. And some of them are batteries. Some of them use batteries. Yeah. Yeah. And this is not a lot of our stuff we bring when we go hiking because some of it's dirty because we used it. So that's the cord charger one. And here are some titanium utensils that we use when we're cooking and stuff. That like we eat with. And then there is this pot that we cook stuff with. Like noodles and stuff. Or like we boil water in this. And there's some little cups in here. We cook soup and stuff in there. Yeah. Yeah. Or I mean we boil water. Yeah, we boil water when we don't have none when we're going hiking. Yeah. So now, also on the table, we have this little whistle, just in case we're lost or, So, okay, the next thing we have is a life straw to purify the water. These are like the last choice, like the last option, like if you really need it. Yeah. Because you can just boil the water in one of these. So these are life water straws, straws. They have a filter in them that filters water. So basically, you can just swoop up some water from the lake, and then like basically, yeah, the bottom opens, and that's where the water goes in, and you just take this off and start the top. You take the top of this out and start drinking it. Yeah. So we also got some tape, you know, just in case we need some tape. We also have a headlight, just in case we're like exploring caves, hiking when it's dark, exploring like dark stuff now. Or just need it in general. I don't know. Then we have these Merrell boots, shoes. These are actually really good. So I actually recommend those. Also have this. It's another pot with some bowls in it. Here's a little bowl. And here's one of the bowls. And the last thing we have on the table is a cold steel axe. Now we're going to be going to hiking bags or survival bags. Before we start, I accidentally called these Merrells, but they're Nikes. We usually wear Merrells, but we got them on sale. So, alright. So now we're actually going to be showing this bag. So first, there was on like the side of the bag, there was two knives. This one and this one.
These are O knives. You can order these on the O light store with where the O lights are. They're the same brand.
Now we're gonna look in the bag. Now we're gonna look in the compartments. Things, whatever. So in the first tiny compartment, it's a compass. We have a compass. We have a compass. Next one we have is matches. I didn't know what it. Next we have this little fishing kit. Okay, so it comes with these little weight thingies. And this thingy is a fishing lure. And then it comes with some strings and some hooks. That's how it is. Now we have a washcloth, the compactable ones. You just put put water on it. Or you can just rip it open. Next thing we have is bug spray to keep those bugs away from you. And then we also have another tiny light. So basically that was in the tiniest compartment ever. In the next compartment we have this bandana. It's black and white. And then we also have this fire starter. Or what is this? What it is? A fire starter?
Ferro rod.
Yeah.
Adult supervision.
And that's all that's in that compartment.
See the ferro rod.
What's that? Okay then. The blanket. In the next compartment. In the next compartment, we have this emergency poncho. And this fire start wood. I think. And some paracord. Yeah. This is a first aid kit thing. So there's some Band-Aids. There's some white alcohol pads. Some different sizes of Band-Aids. Tiny circle ones, big knee ones, and normal size.
Okay. In the last compartment, we have some.
Whoa.
We got this from Walmart for I think $6. This thing's awesome for $6. Like you don't have to buy an expensive one. This thing will take a tree down in like a minute.
Next, we have some socks, and we also have this stuff. Let me show you what's in here.
Also, guys, there's another one in the backpack.
So in this, we have a dental med kit, 2 hair ties, some headlamps,
The third headlights.
3 lighters,
Big lighters.
and a pair of tissues. A pack of tissues. Next, I'm showing you what's in this box.
I like that. I think it just has the same stuff.
No. Another headlamp. A little lighter. Is this tea?
Mm-hmm.
Tea. A fishing lure.
Those are flies.
What?
Those fishing lures are flies.
And then we got 4 chopsticks.
Just in case.
And 3 batteries. 3 AA batteries.
Not all.
We got some sunscreen and
Tiny scissors.
and some tiny scissors.
So
And then we have this soap from Iraq Veteran 8888.
now we're going to be moving on to the ghost hunting bag.
We got this ghost hunting kit off of Amazon
Because we were inspired by Sam Colby.
and Twin Paranormal. Usually we don't bring equipment, but
We were trying to kind of
prove the hauntings and record them. Now we're going to show you what's
inside of this bag. So the first thing that we have inside
is this spirit box. It has this antenna thingy.
Alright. Then we have more in the bag, but we have these cat balls.
Next we have this EMF meter.
We also have this little voice recorder. You can play back to see if anything answered your questions.
And then we have more cat balls and this UV light. And there's chargers in here.
Yeah, there's chargers for like mostly everything. And this is an infrared thermometer. It detects hot and cold spots in where you're kind of investigating. Okay, that's it for the bag.
Now we have this pizza, which is finished. So now let's take it out. Where are we supposed to put it on?
Can you open it? Oh, we need a plate.
I don't see the reason. I don't see the reason, guys. We forgot a plate.
Can't even play. Don't you do anything about MREs?
Okay. You should try it.
Right now it's like a 2. If I hadn't eaten for 2 days, this thing would be a 20.
Okay.
Okay. And that's compared to actual pizza, like
normal. Can I try it? And not.
It's better than frozen pizza.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
It's kind of smells like Silas.
Oh, by the way, guys,
Good.
this Best Buy date is like 2023, it's 2024 right now.
Yeah. But I tried this before. It tasted better. I think it's a little expired. Yeah. It's alright. It still tastes normal. Okay, guys. So that's all. That's all for the video. Bye.
With all supervision. Take it easy, guys.